and when she turns it off, it dies down. And then she figures out, take it outside, do it safely. Enjoy it.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
These two aren't doing trail days, so maybe I will see them further up in Washington.
Sandwich time. I'm going to the open house of one of my favorite gear companies, Six Moons Designs.
Here is their showroom. Just trying on a backpack.
We make our own. They're 100% mineral spirits and caulks.
Okay.
I have the
But you can't like it only has a single speed motor, so like we're not fast enough to we're not production sellers. So.
Oh, it's dynamic composite. Oh, okay, it's gonna be DCF then.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because
I didn't know they changed that.
They changed it because a year or so ago a couple years ago they were purchased by Dyneema Corporation.
This is one of the last Skyscape X Cuban fiber tents. There's only 2, and it's not for sale, unfortunately. Providence Park Soccer Stadium, where the Timbers
and
play.
The Thorns.
And the Thorns. Portland.
In downtown Portland at Pioneer Courtyard Square, there's a spot here for the amphitheater, and when you step on it, your voice is amplified, and everybody who's sitting around here has to listen to you because you become super, super, super loud.
And we're gonna do the whole weekend, so I'm like, we're gonna have some lessons for sure. We got a meeting today with our director of management and the program manager.
This is hazy beer from Hood River Meridian, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm going to mix it up with something different. This is a chocolate shake porter, and it comes out of Boulder, Colorado from Boulder Beer. That's easy to remember. I think even Squish would enjoy this. Like, it is very ice creamy tasting for a porter. It's a pint in more ways than one. So I'm here at this event with Mike.
Hi.
And we are playing this giant Connect 4 game. I am color red. Do you see it? Look carefully, everybody. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Connect 4! Connect 4!
There it
I am
is.
the winner!
There it
I am
is.
the
She
winner! You are the loser, I am the winner.
Ah!
Let's go hazy from Redmond, Oregon. This beer is a very delicious hazy. I think one of the best I've had along the trail. If you like hazies, let's go hazy. Okay, so my last beer at this event is Brightside Pilsner from Brightside, Portland. Wow, Brightside Pilsner, Brightside Brewery. Wow, they're really bringing that. Anyways, let's try. This is my last beer here. Let's try. Got some bomber in the back, but yeah, it's a typical Czech Pilsner. Like, really easy drinking. Not a lot of mouthfeel flavor, but yeah, it's beer. Ouch! This guy poked me in the head. Is a statue called Allow Me. Quite the gentleman, calling for a cab in the rain, sheltering from the storm. I could have used you in the Sierra, eh? There's a lot of hail.
And this is the area. Now you see the big trees and stuff.
Yeah.
Think about Grimm, and think
yeah.
about the rainy scenes and stuff. It's actually filmed here, and one of the complaints.
This is the Portland Archery Range. Portland is weird.
I don't know what to say.
Are we taking video? Oh, it's moving. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's on
We've got
video.
video. Oh, now I sound like an idiot.
Well, I don't have to put this in my video.
No, you don't have to put this in the
Just
video.
say something
but yeah.
like,
Hey, it's been a great time having saradhooma and cowbell and rally. I had all 3 of these fantastic thru hikers here at Casa de Matthews. But we had a great time. Lots of beer, lots of fun. Great time.